So this works the same way on all of these little medium duty sewing machines that this edge guide is suitable for. There's 2 holes in the back of the head here near the presser foot. So this goes on like this. Put our bolts in. Sometimes there's a washer that goes behind the head of the bolt, either way. We want this to be sitting fairly straight. And just have it at a height where this roller is actually touching the needle plate. We can make adjustments to it by loosening these screws in these slots. So this slot at the front here is how you adjust its position, how close it is to the needle. This machine only has the left toe foot on, so we can get quite close there. And we'll have a really small seam, the distance between the stitches and the edge of the material, like this. To adjust whether the position of the roller backwards and forwards can be changed by loosening off the bolts on this slot, and then as this slides up, it will go back and slides down, then this will come forward, and then it just pops up out of the way like that if you don't want to use it.